It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Monday, the 30th of January. I'm James Spann. A cool day, a dry day for the state today. We warm up in the short term. We turn colder later this week. A little light rain before the week is over, and probably wet at times this weekend. So let's go in there and see if we can sort all this out. Big trough over the eastern states today, pulling down cool, dry air. Starting off the day in the upper 20s and low 30s in most spots. Looks like the cold spots are Cullman and Haleyville at 26. Anniston 29, Birmingham 33. Those were actually at 4 a.m., so the number's going to come down a few degrees for the lows this morning. And we'll expect a high in the 50s in most spots today. Around the region, temperature's pretty brisk. On the watch warning map, no problems down here. Up north, high wind warnings for parts of the Dakotas. Winter weather advisories for parts of Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan. We also note winter weather advisories for parts of West Virginia down into the mountains of Virginia and North Carolina. That will be winding down this morning. Places like Boone, North Carolina, saw some pretty good snow last night. And winter storm watches for parts of Montana and Idaho in the Northwest. Thunder, no. That's the convective outlook today. No green anywhere. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Monday morning of next week. Heavier totals for the northern counties of the state. And understand we'll probably see a little light rain later this week. The next good rain will probably be over the weekend, especially on Sunday, as you'll see. Here we go, model fans, the GFS. This is the 06C run at noon today. Troughing sweeping off the coast. We'll have a cool, dry air mass. Sunny today with a high in the mid to upper 50s in most spots. Tomorrow, we warm up nicely. We should be in the 60s tomorrow afternoon. That'll feel pretty good. Same thing on Wednesday. Partly to mostly sunny with a high between 65 and 70. Very nice. This is Thursday. Now, moisture begins to return with an approaching surface front. And you can see that 1034 high that's over Illinois. The GFS not that bullish on rain, but the NAM does suggest a chance of maybe some light rain on Thursday. We're going to mention that in the forecast. And then Friday, the front kind of hangs up, and again, maybe some light rain. So later this week, for Thursday and Friday, mostly cloudy, a chance of some light rain both days, with highs dropping back in the 50s. And I wouldn't be shocked if parts of North Alabama saw highs in the 40s on Friday, where the clouds hang in much of the day. Now, for the weekend, a new storm system forms west of the state. This is Saturday, and this is suggesting maybe the more widespread rain will be a little west of here, but I think we need to mention at least a chance of showers Saturday, certainly no washout. And then Sunday looks pretty wet at this point. A surface low is just east of Cincinnati with a cold front down with a good band of rain. And rain, I don't know if we see any thunder with that, but certainly it looks wet. And again, highs for the weekend will be in the low to mid-50s most likely. And a week from today, troughing over the northeast, the front is on by. And at this rate, we're cool and dry. Highs around 50, lows around 30, and that's actually below average for the early part of February. We'll check the end of the forecast period. This is Wednesday of next week. Whoa! It's a big, deep trough around here. And if this is right, a big surface low is over Georgia with the soaking rain. And, of course, that could change easily. This is 10 days out, just something to watch. The numbers, they're kind of all over the board. We warm up in the short term tomorrow and Wednesday, and then we turn colder late this week. You can see the Europeans got a high of 47 on Friday, 50s for the weekend, and after that, temperatures exactly where they should be for February. No sign of any brutally cold Arctic air for the next 10 to 15 days. No sign of any severe weather or winter storms, a fairly tranquil pattern. And we'll take that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. Can't catch us this evening on the live stream or on TV. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.